You already have been practicing many coaching methodologies and competencies. You learned about relationship skills, core coaching skills. You learned about appreciative inquiry. You also learned about nonviolent communication. You identified stages of change, used nonviolent communication and motivational interviewing strategies, such as OARS, DARN CAT. You also completed a full initial coaching session and now know what to expect in an early coaching session. This week, we'll focus on understanding details of the roadmap, such as being ready for a coaching session after exploring assessments, setting goals. And in this roadmap, for this course, is based on a diagram that I developed. You can see this diagram. It is a 4-stage process. Surrounding the 4-stage process is a guiding framework of 12 dimensions of wellness. And those are the components of our humanity and well-being that assist you in the coaching process in narrowing what's the most important thing for that coaching partner. Most coaching partners are seeking to improve their behaviors in nutrition and physical activity. What is interesting is that in a research that we did here at ASU, we noticed that most of the participants indeed wanted to work on nutrition and physical activity, with a significant improvement on those that were working on nutrition. In a traditional coaching role, you may use many assessments, and here in this class, I gave you several assessments that you may not use in a real scenario, just to sort of try to find your voice. What is your coaching strategies? Which assessments you can use naturally in a coaching session, and which ones you may stay away from? Have you found those questionnaires that work better for you and your coaching style? From the information, we can elicit a wellness vision, which will serve us to focus and plan, right? So we first engaged and we focus and plan. In the focusing and planning, we're sort of defining what would that action will look like, and then it is the taking action. It's that action plan. Please notice that in the middle of the diagram, you can see a butterfly, which traditionally represents transformation. Your coaching process will assist your client in developing that process of transformation. How do you best use the process roadmap? What are the components that resonate with you? Which components are you struggling with? Which one is causing you a challenge? Does the process of facilitating a vision activity appears natural, or do you need to practice much more? What do you sound like as a coach? Even as you have a secured script to guide your initial coaching process, what strength are you pulling from yourself to guide you in this process of coaching? Remember, no one coaching is the same, and there's no prescription for coaches. Coaching roadmaps are reminders of the coaching process, the objectives, the agenda, and it helps you in facilitating the flow of the coaching session, while at the same time they remind you to use evidence-based methodologies in such process. I'm so much looking forward to seeing, reading, and enjoying your vision boards and your vision statements. Thank you.